Hi boys and girls, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the Gingerbread Man song that you just listened to. Now it is a little bit different than the story and some of the words that you hear in the story, but no matter which gingerbread story or video or song you listen to, you will always hear this repeated. Repeated is when it's done over and over and over. So even though in our video there were some other words that were repeated, this is the main part that we were talking about. So I wanted to see how many tallies or dots you came up with. Now, really good, because I know that at first I came up with, just 4. Because you had the 4 people that he had to run away from. You had the woman that made him, then you had the man that was stretching, then you had the woman in the bonnet, and then you had the man with the broccoli that was hungry, right? So that would have been 4. But then if you kept watching to the end of the video, there were 3 more times that it repeated itself while they were running back and forth by the screen. So 4 would have been a correct answer. But if you listened for the whole time, 8 would have been a correct answer. So either one of those would count. And if you didn't get that number, it's okay. What I would like you to do is to make sure you send your count, how many you heard, to your teacher. So what I would do is I would write my number 8 here. I would make sure that I sent my work to my teacher on Google Classroom. And the last thing that you're going to do for your exit slip is you're going to write part of this that repeats. The only part we're going to write is I'm the gingerbread man. So what I want you to do is I want you to think about something the gingerbread man could run away from. You could make it up. Doesn't have to be a person, doesn't have to be an animal, it can be anything, but it has to be something that he would run away from. So you're going to write I'm the gingerbread man on a piece of white paper like this, and then you're going to draw the gingerbread man running away from whatever you choose. I'll give you my example. I'm the gingerbread man. Here's my gingerbread. See, his face looks scary. What's he running away from? A snake. Yeah, I don't really like snakes very much. So I think if I would be afraid of a snake, so wouldn't a gingerbread man. So you're going to write this. You're going to draw your gingerbread man, and then you're going to draw the character or the thing that he's running away from. You can be as creative as you want. It doesn't have to be an animal. It doesn't have to be a person. You can make something up. You can find something that you really like and that might chase the gingerbread man. So be creative and send it to your teacher in Google Classroom. I hope you enjoyed our writing lesson for today. This will be the final lesson of our Animal Tales unit. Next week we will be moving into poetry, which will be so exciting. So you have a wonderful day. Enjoy the sun. Make sure you get your iReady done and all your other work done. Get some sun. Drink a lot of water. Of course, always wash your hands. We'll see you soon.